Hello, Australia, what's going on? This is Emmanuel Adegbola, aka the Forex Apostle, and I want to welcome you to this video. I'm so excited that you subscribe, and I tell you what, I don't take it for granted at all. I don't take it for granted. Thank you so much for your subscription. And I want you to get excited because right in this video, I'm going to be showing you my roadmap, my blueprint that you can copy to make minimum of $1 million trading the forex market or the futures market this year. Yes, I mean it, this year. Why am I so sure that why am I so sure that you can make this money? Because it has been done before, and if it has been done before, it can be done again, because success leaves clue. But first of all, who am I and why should you listen to everything I've got to tell you right in this video? I will try my best not to bore you with my grass to great stories, and I will also try my best to make sure that this video is not too long. But I've been around for a while. You can watch my YouTube videos, you can read my blog, you can Google me online. I've been around and I've been trading forex since 2006. So if you calculate that, that is going to almost 20 years of being in this industry. So I've seen it all. I mean, I didn't start as an online celebrity or forex guru or futures guru. No, I started more or less the way you are starting, the way more traders are starting online. So I started, bought so many accounts. Before I finally got it right. As I said, I won't bore you with all those stories, but why am I telling you this? Because something happened in 2022. You know, everything was going on well. I have students, I train students from different parts of the world. And in 2022, I can't even explain what really happened. I created a video about it. It's right there on my YouTube channel. You can watch it. How losing over $2.5 million made me a better trader. So within a span of 6 months, I lost $2.5 million. Yes, that is not demo money. That is not prop accounts. No, that was hard-earned money, funded accounts, personal owned accounts. You know, one of those accounts that was involved, I grew that account from $8,000 to over $1 million. And of course, I have some partners also that partner with me that I traded for, and so on and so forth. So losing over $2.5 million, if you are from Nigeria, if you convert that, that is over 2.5 billion naira. Okay. The first time in my life that I was suicidal, tough. But thank God that I have a supportive system, most especially my wife and some of my students, my community. I'm so much grateful for surrounding me with these guys. So fast forward, after losing it all, I had to start almost from the rock bottom. I have to start from the scratch. So if you are watching this video right now, it doesn't matter where you are, I started from the scratch. So if I could do that, it means that you or anyone else can do it. So that actually was one of the reasons why I started trading with prop firms, and I'm going to be telling you more about that. And by the way, as I promised, I will try not to make this video long, okay? But please follow everything I'm going to tell you. So after that losses, I have to, of course, I have to pay some of my partners and so on and so forth. So I have to start from scratch, start trading with prop firms, and from there start gathering all my pieces together, and that is why I am here. Now, a few weeks ago, I was having a one-on-one session with one of my French client students, because when I have a student, it's not just students. Some of them grow to be my friend. even though they are still part of my community. You understand what I mean? So I was having this conversation with them, and so we are, crafting out how he can make $1 million trading futures market this year. And of course, after we finished, I discovered that I did not record it. And something told me that, wow, why didn't you record this? And that is why I have created this all over, and I'm giving you instant access to this. And once again, congratulations. Yes, I know this is not what you expected, but then just give me this 1-2 minutes to kind of, position your psychology right, because it's not just about telling you how to make $1 million. It's about positioning your mind right to make it. So, having understood that, I want to tell you to pay fully attention. Doesn't matter where you are, doesn't matter how much you have, because you can start with that little that you have right now and still be able to make yourself $1 million trading the futures market this year. I'm going to be focusing more on futures market, but what I'm about to share with you, you can apply the same thing, the same strategy to forex market. Okay. First of all, if I had to start all over, which I did anyway, I will trade with prop firms. Yes, there are a lot of scammers among them, but then if you are able to get the right ones, instead of you trading with your personal money, I will trade with prop firms. I will do that over and over. And just to say thank you for your subscription once again, I believe there are links to all the books that I promised you. Beginner's Guide to Mastering Forex Trading, Beginner's Guide to Mastering Futures Trading, and the rest. They are below this video, so check them out. So now let's just get started, and let's craft out how to make $1 million this year. Depends on when you are watching this video, trading the futures market. Once again, I'm going to be focusing more on futures market, as I said, but you can use the same strategy to make money in stocks, in cryptos, in forex, but then just understand the concept. So let's see. You want to make how much a year? $1 million. So this is it. What is $1 million? Is just 1 with 6 zeros. Okay, 1 with 6 zeros. That's what you want to make a year. This looks so big, and as I said in my intro video, if this is too big for you, cut it down to 100,000. Some of you watching this video right now, it's possible $100,000 will change your life, for good. So it just might be maybe $100,000, and possibly yours might even be $10,000. Some people in some countries, if you make $10,000 a year, that is a life-changing income. But I'm going to be focusing more on this $1 million. Okay, so if you're making $1 million a year, then how much do you need to make a month? I have calculated this over and over. I believe it's 83,000 plus, but let's make it precise. So divide that by 12. Yes, 83,000, but let's just call this one 84,000. Okay, let's call it 84K. So that is what you need to make a month. And somebody, I believe, say, possibly your heart is skipping right now. Oh my God, how can I make this happen? Well, you can, okay? Just give me a minute. I'm breaking it down. And if you follow this roadmap, if you follow this blueprint, I'm telling you sincerely, you grow. Call me at the end of this year. I will say, wow, the Forex Apostle, thank you for that information. So now, if we are making 84,000, so how much do you need to make in a week? Okay, in a week, how much do you have to make? If you have to make $84,000 a month, then you need to divide this by 5. Okay, so 84,000 divided by 5. So this gives us 16,000 16,800. 16,800. Someone says you can just divide this also by 52. Okay, by 52. So that still give you almost the same thing. 52. So if you divide this by 52, this will give you around 19,000. 19,230 thereabouts. So if you divide this by 52, okay, so this will give you, so let's just say, okay, 16, between 16 to 20, let's even say 20,000, okay, round this, okay, to whole number now. What you need to make per week, let's call it $20,000. Okay, let's say $20,000. That is what you need to make in a week trading. So if you have to make this in a week, how much do you need to make in a day, in one day? So to make this in one day, all you need to do is divide this by what? Divide 20,000 by 5. That gives you $4,000. So you need to make $4,000, okay, in one day. Now, this is where it becomes so interesting. For you to make $4,000 in one day, trading with your own fund, with your own capital, it means that you need at least, maybe you need at least like almost, let's say, 100,000 or $400,000, because if you have let's say, if you have in your account, if you have $400,000, okay, if you have $400,000, and just like one of my friends, if you are making 1% every day, that's 1% of 400,000 will give you $4,000. Okay, so I don't know. I believe 99 out of 100 forex traders or futures traders cannot afford this. So now, how can you make this, even though what you have is still $500, is still $200, is still $100? That is why we are talking about what? Prop trading. Okay, futures prop trading. Once again, this video is not about futures prop trading, and I'm not going to be creating about futures trading. There's a link below this video. Just download the beginner's guide to mastering futures trading, or you can register for my webinar or join the mentorship to learn more about all of this. But then just get this blueprint. This is a blueprint. This is a roadmap that I'm giving to you. And if you can follow this, I'm telling you sincerely, you go call me and say, thank you, the Forex Apostle. So you need to make $4,000 per day. Okay. So how much do you need? How much do you need to make from one account? From one account. So all you need to do is divide this 4,000 by 12. And I will tell you why 12. So this will give you $200. Okay, this will give you $200. I have some of my students that make $200 a day, $400 a day, $4,000 a day, and so on and so forth. So this is, so I mean, imagine making, all you need to make from on one account for you to be able to make $1 million a year is $200. $200, because what happens is you buy one account, okay? You pass one challenge. Once you buy one prop account, you pass it. Depends on how much they're selling or the promo that is going on right now, but you can get one account between $16 to $100, okay? Depends on the sales, the promo that is going on right now, okay? So let's say you sign up for your team viewer, you sign up for this, you sign up for that. Everything you need to get started will be maybe around $200 or $300. So after you pass one challenge, then you will use the payout from that one account, you will buy more. So the goal is for you to have 20 accounts. So once you have these 20 accounts and you pass these 20 accounts, you will be trading one and you will be copying to others. So one will be your master account, then 19 will be your slave account. So you'll be copying from one account to 19 accounts. So if you make $200 from one, that will be 200 times 20. That will give you $4,000. And if you lose $200, definitely it affects the rest of the account. So this is the guideline, this is the roadmap, this is the blueprint. So if you can follow this, at the end of the year, you will arrive at this destination, which is $1 million a year. Now, is this possible? Absolutely. Can everybody do this? Absolutely. Will everybody do this? No, because some people are just destined to fail in life. Some are destined to remain where they are. Some believe that no, it is not possible for them. And if you think it is not possible, I'm telling you sincerely, it's not going to be possible. But if you believe it is possible for you, I believe seriously that you grow, make it happen. So it doesn't matter whether you are a pro, you are a newbie, or you don't even understand what we are talking about and you want to learn. If you want to learn how to trade futures market, where to get started is by clicking the link below this video. Download the beginner's guide to mastering the futures trading. I mean, you can go online and be watching different videos, but let me tell you, that's the first recipe to disaster. That's the first recipe to confusion. I mean, take it from a guy that I've been around for almost 2 decades in this industry. The easiest way to get yourself distracted, confused, is for you to be watching one video after another without a single mentor. So if you're looking for someone to hold you by hand, show you how to really get started and make this money we are talking about, then you are in the right place. But to get started, download that. Our guide is free of charge. And if you need to talk to me, my contact also is on that guide. Or maybe you are watching this video on YouTube or my YouTube channel, then definitely the links to my social media handles should be at the description of this video. Once again, I want to thank you so much. I hope this makes some kind of sense to you. And if you have any question, please do not hesitate to get in touch with me. Once again, thank you so much for your time. And somehow, I will see you somewhere in this world. God bless you.